Earlier, you were saying that you should take everything in moderation and cut things off slowly. I've been on that road for about 7 years now. Now I'm eating kale, collard greens, things of that nature. But looking at your video, you said that like kale is a hybrid. What are some natural vegetables that people that are already vegan can get? I need to know distributors. I need to know exactly what they are, and can you please write them on the board for me?
I do recommend kale and also the other one, which is the mustard green. I recommend them because they are less acid than many of the other, like collard green, that will hurt your stomach. That's tough in the digestive system. So I do recommend those greens because they're not as damaging, not as, acid. Some products are more acid than others. And since we are conditioned, I try to find those products that are less damaging to the system. I eat mustard greens. I eat kale. But I don't make it a practice of eating it too often. When I could get bhaji or the amaranth, or what we call it again, I forgot. Kalalu. Kalalu is a good green. And kalalu grows in the United States in abundance. It grows right here in this place. Kalalu grows here. Amaranth, you make a bread from the seeds, and you also eat the leaves. In fact, once upon a time, the people from Spain used to kill the Indians once they catch them eating amaranth, because they knew that eating amaranth would never allow them to be slaves.